Today we will try to make some money together. What's the power of this stream and why you should definitely watch this video till the end, because this lesson will be 100% practical. I will show to you different strategies that we use. Also, you will learn today our powerful scalp trades that we took today in the morning with our community on Bitcoin. I will show to you reasons how we took this trade, why the trade played out, and how you can do such trade in the future. That's why, once more, I highly recommend you to watch this stream till the end. At this moment, share with me a few words about yourself, your name, your experience, and your expectation from this stream. This stream especially will be useful for people that start your path in trading, especially in scalping, because many of you, when you start your path, you learn a lot of stuff, you learn a lot of strategies, but in the end, the most important, it is a real practice, because trading, it is a practical skill. Right now today I will show to you the most important this practical skill, because it is a real practice. I do not believe that after so many lessons on YouTube and right now today I will show to you the most important only after. I do not believe that enough practice, enough trades, and right now in community with communicate with traders only, and they quite often share with me that enough practice, 100 trades, they understand. That's why right now, traders right here, this lesson is 100% practical, and all secrets. That's why right now, all secrets that I do is 100% practical, and all secrets. I see. Yeah, friends, I did. I fixed sound. Yes, I did. I fixed it. And everything you should hear at this moment. At this moment, my dear friends, let me remind to our people in Discord and Telegram that we had started. And once more, I ask you to write few words about yourself, your experience, where you're from, and did you trade by Dome Footprint ever before? How did you find us? Share with me. It's really important for us. Okay, and let me. Okay. We just started. Okay. We just started. Let me remind to people. We just started. Okay, and here. Done. Okay. Okay. Best regards from Colombia. I found you on TradingView. Awesome. Okay, friends. Let me come back to comments to all of you. Azrin, hello from Singapore. Hello, my friend. Hello. How is Singapore these days? Hello from Pakistan. Felsia. Haman. My name is Haman. I'm from Syria, living in Sweden right now, and I'm a new trader. Good. Hi from India. I think today we will have, as always, United Nations, because our community big, wide, and we have people from really different places on this beautiful planet. All the way from South Africa, new trader. Good. Fasil, let's go more profit. Hello, I'm from Egypt. Abdul. Hi Yuri, how much of money are you starting with and the leverage? David, hi from Malaysia. On this account, my friends, remember that amount of money is not such important on your account as your risk per trade that you trade. At this moment, like we have at this moment a little bit risky trade on ETH against this powerful trend. At this moment we took short on ETH, bounce from this significant size, 12,000k of ETH, with hope of pullback to VWAP. And the risk on this trade, approximately, if price hit my stop loss, it will be minus 100 USD. Also, friends, I would like to announce to you again, we started a trading challenge where I trade on small account and try to turn $100 into 10k within 100 days. Once more, I try. I didn't say that I will do it definitely, that I know how to do it. I just want to show, because I saw many YouTubers try to do it, and I want to be honest with you, transparent with you, and show all real stuff and evidence. And if you want to show all this stuff, how it will go, definitely subscribe to this channel and share this channel amongst your friends that also like such stuff, because even today we published 2 videos about day number 1 and day number 2. First day we had minus $8. Yesterday we made 48 plus, and today we have like I trade on 2 accounts, and let me show to you. I just trades that I do on my major account, I just multiply it on really another small account that I open especially for that need. And have a look here. Like on my major account we made on this BTC trade 468. On that challenge account we made 2268. But like some people would say only $22, but still it is 22%. Share with me how many of you know if I will risk per trade at this moment 5 USD. In the future I will start increase my risk step by step. My major goal to have risk per trade less than 5%. I don't want to have more than 5% risk per trade, because it will be too much to this channel. Okay, Nigeria, long time subscriber to Bigger Trading, always something to learn to you. Azrin, happy to hear it, happy to help, and a lot of stuff will come because soon I have a lot of lessons about DOM footprint strategies that really works and that will help you, all your friends, make money. Please type here the signal you will give. Hello, Yuri. I am from Netherlands. Good to be here. VAE7. Happy to see you here. Happy. I like Netherlands, Dutch people. I wish you a lot of luck. Okay. Okay, we start all of this, friends. At this moment, what we have, once more, we took a trade on ETH right now with our community, with all our members. We took this ETH trade. It's a little bit risky trade, but what's the reasons why we entered along at this moment on ETH? Major reasons, because first, have a look. During a rise, significant volume appeared exactly at high of ETH, like someone here 14,000 tried to sell, and here additional 12,000 someone tried to sell. Also another reason why we at this moment took additional short on ETH, because price retested this area. Let me show to you the screenshot. I will show to you the screenshot why it opens. Sometimes it's difficult when you have 4 screens to pay attention to all of this stuff. Okay, also another reason why we at this moment there could be some potential pullback on ETH. Have a look on this important level. During the night, significant volume traded here and were broken, and quite often such volume become important resistance. And at this moment, price exactly retested first volume, plus here traded significant amount, and here additional limit order. That's why we took short. Our goal is not like to change a trend, only small pullback to 1300. That's it. And let's add this stuff. My stop loss here. Volume in this trade 11 ETH in this on this major account. David, hey Yuri, how much will be your VIP channel? My friend, below this video I will give you a link, and you will fill the form, and my team will help you with all these questions. Because once more, we have a team of people that their job is to reply to such kind of questions. They will help you, they will show you everything, what includes, what benefits you have, payment policy, refund policy, all of this stuff. That's why once more, below this video, if you're interested in any of our services, what you do, below this video you'll find our private, Biko private, and what you do, my dear, just fill this form, and my team will help you with any question regarding our services. At this moment, I don't want to page people, because I want to do this lesson more educational, and after that, those of you that would like to hear something about our services, I will explain. Okay, at this moment, what will be a plan of our lesson? First, at this moment, I explained to you why we took this trade on ETH right now. After that, we will analyze other top instruments and try to find another trading opportunities that we can trade right now. During that time, we will analyze our trades that we took in the morning on Bitcoin, and what benefits you can, what tools you can use to do also such trades and make such money in the future. I will show you exactly step-by-step points, because I recorded a video, and you will watch all these blueprints that you can mimic in the future. During that time, I will answer your question regarding trading. I hope you will have some fun. And about money, I would be happy if price would move in our favor, but once more, remember that we do trading and we do not move the price. We follow order flow. Sometimes price does not move into our favor. That's why always use stop losses. Our trades, it's not like a guarantee. We don't have 100% win rate. Our normal win rate from 45 to 60%, depends on the month. That means sometimes there would be stop losses, and it is a part of this business. It's like you have expenses in, like you do any kind of business, you have shop, mall, you pay salary, you pay rent, all of that stuff, it's your expenses. In trading, stop losses, it's your expenses. Good business, it is when you try to cut your expenses and increase your income. That's what we do with all these approaches, because in trading, there are two stuff that you should work on. It is your win rate and risk reward that you can take in a trade. And I'll explain to you all of this stuff, especially for beginners. Слава Україні, героям слава. That's why Paura, yes, we just started, and we just took short on ETH. And once more, share with me at this moment, friends, did you take trade on ETH with me, and do you understand reasons why we took this trade? And let me make my picture smaller. I think it will be good enough for you to have my picture here much smaller, but you will see more stuff from a chart. How many of you took short on ETH, and how many of you understand the reasons why we took it? Like 3 questions. Who took trade? Do you understand reasons? And what will be your risk in this trade? People that will not be able to answer on a 3rd question, it will be a signal for me that for you better not to take this trade. Remember that you always, before you trade, you always should answer to yourself, how much can I lose if price hit my stop loss? You always should know that answer. Because trading, it is not like sometimes when I read comments on TradingView, honestly, sometimes when I have bad mood, especially if some stop losses, I think every of you has that feeling. I sometimes read the comments and some people say, "Oh my God," or like this guy, "Oh my God, this guy." Oh my God, you told this stuff, but it didn't do. Yeah, I took stop loss and get out. That's it. That's the point. It's not a magic. It's just simple process. That's it. Juan, 5% too much. 5% too much. Guys, for beginners, less than 1% must be your risk per trade. Less than 1% of your account. Better half. Sarma 0.68. Better. Good. 0.5% it must be, especially when you follow other people, 0.5%, until you understand win rate of those people, in what cases they do good, in what cases not. I just right didn't took it, David. Okay. David, if you take short on ETH price at this moment in my entry, you still can enter, but once more, if you take this trade, you should explain to me what will be your risk. Hello, brother. I have closed BTC long and take short before your stream. Allah, happy to see you here. We also took long on BTC today in the morning. I closed it a little bit too fast, but still good profit. I took 1 to 5 risk reward. What about your BTC trade? Write few words about it. Did you mean ETH? ETH. Yes, ETH. Ethereum. Does some of you need help with ETH, this trade, reasons why we took it, all of this stuff? Can we go and start analyzing other coins and what's going on? Should we start analyzing other coins and what's going on the market? Safari, I recognize an error I made now. There's a trade I took that would cut my portfolio half. I don't want to liquidate, but neither cutting the portfolio. Better to restart from half or risk? Better to restart. Always better to restart. Yes, start analysis. The amount of BTC they order it to sell. Okay. Let's start analysis. At this moment we are going to do analysis of top coins. We will try to find technical analysis, some stuff by technical analysis, and by using that stuff we will try to also to find some interesting ideas to trade. Today BTC did this significant rise. We traded this BTC. We did a trade on BTC from we did this trade on BTC here from this to this. I didn't hold it until this moment. Another reason why we took XRP short, because of this significant volumes that entered on this impulse candle. I think at this moment there could be some pullback, at least to VWAP on BTC. Have a look how price far from VWAP. How many of you know what's a VWAP? How many of you know what's a VWAP? And why VWAP? It is one of the greatest indicators that ever built, and like I think the most important one, it is footprint, second DOM, third volume, and fourth it is a VWAP. It is my list. If some of you would ask me, okay Yuri, name top 4 indicators that you admire and recommend to use. What's the entry price just joined? Our entry price at this moment it is 1,332.45. It is our entry price. Yes. First, it is a footprint. Second, it is a DOM. Volume fourth, and volume third, VWAP fourth. Okay, let me explain to you about all of this step by step. What's a footprint? Footprint, it is this stuff Why I named footprint first? Because footprint showed to us real trades that already happened. It is a history that's written in front of you, and no one can, like, if someone sold 12,000 ETH here at this price, it is a fact. That's it. It is a real fact. It is a real money that entered. You can multiply this 12,000 by this price, and it will be approximately 15 millions of dollars. Someone traded exactly here. It's a fact. That's why for me it is the most important. Second, DOM. Why DOM is I named second? Because here you can see powerful, important limit orders, and so often when they are true, it is not spoofing, price beautifully bounce from that. Number 3, volume. Why volume number 3? Because it shows volume. It is like fuel in your car. For whales, imagine some whale would like to open a short position on BTC. To open it, they need a lot of volume, like they need a lot of fuel. And VWAP, why VWAP number 4, and what is a VWAP? VWAP, it is this line. Better to open it on TradingView. It looks beautiful, far beautiful here. What's a VWAP? And have a look how price quite often bounce from your VWAP beautifully. Why VWAP is so important? VWAP, it is volume weighted average price. It shows to you average price that traded in a day. For example, at this price someone traded 100 BTC, and at this price someone traded 100 BTC. VWAP will be in the middle. It shows to you average price that traded. Institutionals use this stuff as a place where they can add additional volume, all of this stuff. That's why VWAP for us is so important. Also, it shows to you average traded volume in a day. That's also important. That's why all of these indicators are really important for you. There are additional ones that I highly recommend you. Sorry, I didn't hear if you used leverage on this trade. My friend, my concept and my approach to leverage a little bit different compared to other people, because for me the most important it is your risk per trade. Let me show, like, how many of you understand what is a risk per trade and difference between risk per trade and leverage? Because I see a lot of beginners so much speak about what leverage you take, but not so much speak about how much will you lose if price will go against you. Once more, remember the question. How much will you lose if price will go against you? How many coins can I trade with Tiger Trade? You can trade all coins on Binance and other exchanges. Every exchange that connect to this platform, you can use it and trade through it. Also, there are a free platform, like for Tiger Trade you should pay money. Also, we found additional free platform where you also can trade DOM and footprint. And soon let me send it into a chat. So I have to decide, Romashuk, amount of money you're ready to lose if price hits your stop loss. WAE7 1E, learn more about the risk management. Yes, guys, those people that ask about leverage, you should learn more about risk management. In trading, far more important. Ivailo is a member of our community, and I really like him, his approach, his attitude to trade analysis. And leverage doesn't matter if you have a stop loss. In this way you control the risk. Yes, Ivailo, I definitely like it. Is the most important concept that most of the beginners don't understand. Risk per trade far more important than your leverage. Okay, we keep this ETH. We keep this trade on ETH. Price still in this downward upward channel. And I hope this upward channel will be broken, because that would be finally a signal that our trade is going to happen and our trade can actually hit a target. Okay, let's come back to analysis of a market. Let me close VWAP. I explained to all of you VWAP and concept of VWAP. Okay, let's do. Firstly, when you do analysis and when you do trades on crypto, remember like few golden rules of scalping. Bitcoin always show to you a direction. Sometimes when I write idea on trading view, some people think like we exactly trade as we wrote. Like yesterday I told to take long on BTC at pullback, but significant size didn't appear in DOM and we didn't take the trade. That's it. BTC shows to us a direction, because like at this moment BTC is up, whole entire market, you can open every coin, whole entire market is up. BTC yesterday, BTC did this significant drop, whole entire market, every coin also did a drop. That's why BTC is so important for direction. Okay, let's open this lower time frame. Today BTC did quite significant movement. Honestly, I thought in the morning when I recorded update, I thought that from this area price would squeeze and take at least stop losses of these people, and they failed to do it. At this moment, BTC exactly in the middle of a drop that happened yesterday. Honestly, for me, it is difficult place, because because at such place it's really difficult and hard to build some expectations and decisions. Oh my god. From my point of view, at this moment, I don't want to plan for long term, will be the real low, but retest to VWAP, from my point of view, at this moment, it is the most, it actually could happen on BTC, at that would be the best scenario for us, because if that happens, Ethereum would definitely hit our target. By the way, at this moment on BTC appeared two significant sell limit orders on the futures market. Let's see, is this one and this one, and just disappeared. Did you see it? That calls, guys, spoofing. That calls spoofing. That's why you should spoofing. That's why you should never trust limit orders. Because like, have a look, few seconds ago we saw these two big limit orders and they just disappeared in a DOM. That's example for you how spoofing works. They create significant size and after that it disappear. Okay, first scenario, BTC pull back to VWAP. Second scenario, BTC retest to this higher border of VWAP, first boundary. Still at this moment BTC did significant rise, and exactly at this moment, a few minutes ago, exactly significant volume entered exactly on this local impulse at high. Like at this moment it is completely too late to take any long, and only after pullback we can consider to take new long trades. If we have an idea that this local up structure will continue, but I don't think so. What also I like that we have two 30-minute candles that close with so big tails. So that's why we should definitely keep our like priority for next 1-2 hours. It is for drop, only for drop. LTC cooking channel 1 to 2. Percent of risk in a trade. Can you explain footprint? I will explain to you footprint. About also this limit orders. About also this limit orders, I'll explain to you all of this stuff. Also, let me delete this stuff. Okay, VWAP at this moment. VWAP is here, and higher boundary is here. Let's do this stuff. What biggest difficulty of this chart that at this moment we can do only scalping trades. Only if BTC will do some significant hit, like if BTC would hit this level, this key level, only from this place there could be entry for much bigger goal, for example 25k, something like that. Because to take a trade exactly in the middle, we also should have a goal in the middle. In other cases, with big chance there would be stop loss, as I said. Okay, that's why BTC. Also, let's check dominance. Dominance of BTCs also today did significant rise. Quite often, have a look, quite often when BTC dominance did sharp rise, it did after that significant pullback. Only this time it was an exception. It calls BTC, when BTC in a game, like biggest moments happens on BTC, only during that time BTC can move without dominance can move without any pullback. That's why drop on BTC is good for us. About Ethereum, as I told you, significant volume traded here, and at this moment entered here. But the biggest one were here. That's why we took a short with, like, our major goal is just to take pullback to 1300. That's it. At this moment, we don't have a goal that BTC would drop to 500 USD after this short trade. That's it. At this moment, also have a look how far from VWAP if, and have a look how far if exactly bounced from VWAP, exactly bounced from VWAP. Like VWAP, it is really important stuff, and I have even a desire to record a video lesson on YouTube about VWAP, how to use it in crypto scalping, because honestly it helps me a lot. And how many of you would like to see that lesson? Share with me. That's why let's come back to if. If at this moment, as I told you, we took the short trade, and that's it. We just took only the short trade and we keep it. Major idea because of this significant size. Let's see. Can we get a VWAP lesson? If a lot of you would ask, for example, if at this moment in a chat we have 110 people that watch the stream, at least 50 of you would write that Yuri, yes, do that lesson, I definitely will watch it, I will do it. About ATAS, also soon we will do a lesson. Soon we will do a lesson on ATAS. Wait. Sadly, at this moment, if can retest all of this area. Okay. Worst thing that can happen at this moment, it is like this impulse, and they will take all our stop losses, and only after that we'll do a pullback. That's the worst thing that can happen at this moment. again, have a look how they bounce it from VWAP beautifully. Okay, about BTC, let's check what's going on. If retesting our entry, Solana, I don't see anything beautiful here. At this moment, what's the problem? Solana, they took stop losses of all people that built long position in the middle of this range by here and here. And at this moment, in normal cases, there could be even retest at least of this imbalance. That's why worst thing in our trade on ETH that at this moment we just against a train, and we took a trade with a hope that this train will take a pullback. That's it. About GMT, have a look what's happened on GMT. This significant pump. By the way, also I'll show to you this trade on GMT and also power of a footprint. We took GMT trade yesterday. Have a look on this GMT. What we can see on GMT right now, significant volume entered again at high. Another significant volume entered exactly here and exactly here, and again the biggest volume entered here. As that shows to me that when there would be a time, this coin will drop really heavily, and on this coin only what you should do during every rise, we should look for a short trade. We should look like this, such areas like here, it is a places of liquidity. If price hits this area, it is good to take short, or we should wait for some trend line and squeezing to that trend line to take short trade. Didex goes down. Take a look at link. I took, like now, this is out also from the gray area. Yes, usually when price goes out the range and in up way of the VWAP line is where we should look for come back to the line. Yes. Let's check at this moment on ETH, because at this moment ETH retesting this size. Our stop loss is here. We have this 6,700 ETH that potentially could protect us. Let's see what is going to happen with this position. Quite often when price break local range, Safari, it's for you. When price breaks some range, quite often VWAP becomes support and resistance. I don't like to take trades if those trades against VWAP. In what cases VWAP is useless? If price exactly at this moment in the middle of a range like this one. VWAP is good when price bounce it and after that do some pullback like this one on Ripple. When price breaks VWAP, like this one, during that time you can use it. Remember one important thing: we never use VWAP or something like that as separate. There is no one single indicator on the planet that can help you become 100% profitable trader. We use it together because what I like in VWAP, I like when there are VWAP plus significant size that traded in a footprint, plus significant limit orders that support in DOM, plus BTC in our direction. That's example for you. What all confirmation together. Like at this moment, my VWAP settings. That's my VWAP settings. Calculation default. Standard deviation. I close standard deviation. Maybe standard deviation also we should add. and this one. Rahat, VWAP complicated to me. Yes, VWAP complicated, footprint complicated. Real stuff complicated. That's why trading platform like MT4 where all people lose money, fucking so simple. Platforms the design to help you lose all your money is so simple, like MT4, MT5, really simple. Because FX brokers work against you. If I hope you understand that stuff. That's why they create platforms as simple as possible, that you will have only open trade, close trade, and maybe to do something something other stuff. I'm new to trading. How do I look the limit orders? You mean this stuff in DOM? You can use this trading platform. It is a platform that I use. And also you can watch this video tutorial how to download and set it. Oleg knows it. Oleg, by the way, how are you and how is your situation with a broker? Eblatube. To see such orders, you need a special platform that you connect to exchange. One of this platform I sent to you into a chat. Also, friends, for all of you that watch this video, I highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel. And when you will subscribe, you can watch these free lessons for those of you that especially beginners, where I explain to you what this stuff means, what is DOM and footprint, like this one. It is the first lesson. Second lesson, it is about what is scalping and how we make money on this, how we can make money on this small moment. And it is, and third video, it is a free lesson about strategies that you can use by this stuff. You don't need to click at this moment, watch the stream till the end, and when you will finish, just use these lessons. I will keep them open to you entirely for free. That it will help you at least learn how to use this stuff. Okay, friends, at this moment we keep only Ethereum, because honestly at this moment I don't see other beautiful trades that we can take, and all other stuff will be too risky for us, because at this moment what I don't like on ETH, that price started squeezing up, and from my point of view, big chance that they will go to take our stop losses. Like chance really huge. Chance really huge. Main reason why I think so, because BTC at this moment slowly squeeze up. Yes, we have this significant volume at high on BTC several times, but still BTC squeeze up, and there could be additional stop loss hunt before any drop. That's why just be ready for that. I hope this significant volume will keep ETH price and it won't pump, as I said. I do scalping on BTC. Scammers are still scamming people. Paura, will you continue this kind of live videos? I love it, man. I will do it maybe once per 3 weeks, once per 4 weeks publicly. For community members, we will do it once per week on Wednesdays. That everyone will be able to see it. Once per month, it will be open for every person on YouTube. All other stuff will be only for community members. Cars enthusiasts, ATAS platform tutorial available. It will be soon. Soon we'll record it and we'll show it to you. Safari, can you look at KeySam with VWAP? Because I was looking at the price is still rising, went out of the range. Maybe it's due to other factors, like you said. I should check footprint and limit orders. Remember that there are some situations that cause coin far stronger than the whole entire market. Let's check KHC. KHC did nearly the same as whole entire market. At this moment, it's still in this downward channel. It did that significant real low, like at this moment, this downward channel. Price a little bit far from VWAP. After such significant drop, it can do like, in normal cases, they at least need to retest this area. They need to retest at least this area. That's why there are a lot of space for rise for this coin. KSM. KSM. This coin really interesting. This coin looks at this moment definitely stronger than the entire market. The only few stuff that I don't like on this coin, that significant volume only enter at high. That I don't like, but this coin looks definitely stronger than the whole entire market. And at this moment there is nothing to do on this coin because there is no entry point at this moment. Like only maybe in a Dome footprint. Honestly, I don't want to take it because at this moment it's too late to take. VWAP is similar to Bollinger Bands. Rahman, stop using that shitty Bollinger Bands. It is a shit. Piece of shit. I know maybe some of you will not like what I tell to you, but stop using indicators that is not built by real volume. Only real money moves the price. And when you use some indicator like you just wrote, a Bollinger Band, it is mathematical indicator that designed in 70s previous century. Like this indicator 50 years old, where there were completely different infrastructure, speed, amount of participants, amount of retails that enter the market. It is really a bullshit to use such old indicators. Only real money flow indicators worth to use. Okay, it's like, let's cover our trades that we took on today in the morning. Let's cover a trade that we took today in the morning on BTC with our community and our members. With our community, we took this beautiful trade on BTC in the morning, and that's example for you why DOM footprint, all of this type of indicators far more important than any Bollinger Bands or all of this stuff. Have a look. In the morning, we saw that someone bought significant volume on a spot market of BTC. Have a look on this wall of orders. It is a few thousand BTC bought. This significant order broken. After that, additional significant order taken. And have a look. We took exactly a trade when that size were broken up, when that limit order were broken. Here was big sell limit order, it was broken. Price retested. We took a trade exactly here. Have a look on this accuracy. Stop loss in this case was 0.48%. 0.8%. And when you use some other indicators you can do, but you will never have such accuracy on your Bollinger Bands, RCI, all of this stuff. You will never have such accuracy because it's a bullshit indicators. It is indicators that some scam brokers, retail markets force to you to use because they want you to lose money, not to make money. Use real money flow indicators. And have a look, we close a trade here with this 468 USD of profit. If I would keep a trade till this moment, it would be 900. Original risk in this trade was 100 USD, 100. I took 1 to 4.6. Even if I have 3 losses in a row, 1 profit cover everything and I make money. That's why That's why, once more, maybe you won't like what I tell you, but I don't believe in indicators like Bollinger Bands, RSI, all of that stuff. I believe in money flow. Money flow is the key of every market, because logic in every market will be the same even within 100 years. There will be some big whales that control the market. They have one desire: to make profit. To make profit, they need to enter, they need to buy a lot of coins. After that, they need to move price into their favor. And after that, they must find a place where to get out. For example, if you bought, like here, imagine you some whale and you bought 10,000 BTC in this area. After that, you pump a coin, and to get out, you must sell this coin to someone. And quite often, if you saw, quite often price finish its movement with volume spikes. That's a reason for that. That's a reason why we use all of these indicators. Okay, let's skip. It's amazing accuracy. Let's find another. Let me show to you another trade that we took yesterday. That trade I took only on my challenge account. Why is that trade? That trade was on a challenge account. As you know, I do a challenge where I try to turn 100 USD into 10,000, and this trade was on a challenge account. Have a look. We took a trade on GMT, a breakout of trend line, beautiful breakout of trend line. And have a look what close again a little bit too early, but what was there? We took not only because there were important trend line. Another reason why we took the trade, because have a look on this significant volume. Have a look. Someone broke 310,000 coins wall. After that, price did pull back, retested that same size, and again someone absorbed 218,000 coins. Also have a look on this volume that traded exactly nearly that big order. And after that we took long, and honestly we could keep it also a little bit higher. Remember that these big sizes, it is not like 100% guarantee that they will work in every case. It just, if you write, it will give you a profit in many times bigger. That's it. You saw like today Bitcoin, we could take 1-9 risk reward. On that GMT, we took 1-4 risk reward. We could keep in both cases much bigger risk reward. That's power of this footprint and DOM. That's power of that accuracy. A part of Tiger Trade, which platform do you use? Another platform, friends, that I use at this moment, I found to all of you another platform that we will use soon. I will record tutorials. You can download this platform. It costs a TAS. It is entirely for free for crypto. You only will need to connect API key read only to this platform. You will have access to DOM footprint, a lot of data. That also is good. Soon I'll record more tutorials about that platform. Here below this video you'll find this link. Because for me, what also for me is important, it is, let me show to you. For me it is important first, it is a footprint. It is the stuff that I use the most. Another stuff that for me really important, it is, let me show it to you. Heat map. Where is the heat map? It is a heat map. For me also what's important, it is a heat map. It is a special tool that I use to find significant orders in a DOM footprint. Sia Chan, I am shorting. Is it good right now? I use in a footprint, I use this delta correlated volume profile because for me it's the most important to see entire volumes that traded at some area. Because for whales, they can enter a market by using limit order, and they can enter a market by using market order. And in every case, you will see it a little bit different by a color. That's why profile, because I want to see places where significant volume traded. Because for me, it's the most important where volume entered. By the way, I also have a plan explain to people about all of this difference between delta profile, volume trades, trade profile, bid-ask profile. Like you also can look on a footprint like this one. Like at this moment by market, someone sold 11,000. Like it is bid-ask. It is when people do real market trades. But for me, delta correlated volume profile is the best. You should check all of this to understand. How do you know on futures that someone used a short or long in a footprint? There are always two sides. Martin, tell me please, how can you open a short position if there is no one on other side? Tell me please, how can you sell Bitcoin if no one buy it from you? How can you buy Bitcoin if no one sell it to you? That's a law of a market. There are always two sides, always. For us, the most important to see where that volume appears. Because if that volume appeared, for example, BTC did significant drop. BTC dropped by like 20%. And what do you think? Whales, you think sell? Like today in the morning, we did this trade on BTC, and that significant size that appeared on a spot market. You think like after this significant drop that happened on BTC from nearly 20,000 to 18, like this one, from 20 nearly 400 to 18,400. It is how much? It is nearly 15% of drop, yeah? Nearly 15% of drop by only one day. And you think whales here just sold additional portion of Bitcoins? Few like 3,000 BTCs they just sold to drop more price? But instead you see completely different reaction. Price, instead of dropping, do absorption. That's it. For you, it's important to see where that volume appears. Martin, we can see. Remember that there are always two sides. Have a look on this stuff. Let me show to you this type of footprint. You can go to footprint. Nearly in every footprint, you can see this bid-ask. We can check bid-ask volume profile. Let's check bid-ask profile, like this one. What does this stuff means? What this shows to us? It shows to us like this stuff. It is a candle, but instead of see our candle like this one, we see exactly numbers that's going on. And red, like in this moment, this part, like this one. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. I hope you can see this 961 ETH red. What this red stuff means? That at this price, 1,332.75, someone sold by market 961 contracts of ETH futures. What does it mean? That from other side, to execute these orders, it hit someone's buy limit. For example, if you sell by market, your order go to limit orders, buy limits. And in DOM, in this footprint, you will see this red stuff. That means you sold. But in reality, there will be two sides. First side it is you that's sold by market, and in a footprint you will see red numbers. And there also another side that bought your contracts by using limit orders. That's why there are always two sides, always, in every place. Окей. Паша, здоров. Що ти? Як ти? It's really sadly that at this moment BTC stay here and do not do any pullback. Only one good stuff that BTC did this impulse, and here BTC also did this impulse. There's still some chance that there potentially could be a pullback. Sadly, that BTC in a range, because without BTC pullback, it's nearly impossible to drop. Зал вийшов. Женя, hello. Женя, did you take a long on BTC today in the morning? Ярослав. Ярослав, hello. Ярослав, hello. Що ти? Martin. Share with me. Was it clear what I tried to share with you, or should I try to explain it from other side? I took rose today and wet. Good. We could keep our BTC trade for far longer. Honestly, for me it was strange, the significant volume increase, and I thought there would be bigger pullback. That pullback didn't happen. Have a look. This one 124.5 risk reward. Here it would be 129 risk reward. Okay. At this moment also, what coin also interesting for me, but at this moment it is a little bit too late to take a trade. It is AVAX. Because on AVAX, have a look what happened today on AVAX. This massive volume traded in the night. Have a look, 38,000. It was iceberg, because you can multiply together. I calculated it is approximately 90,000 coins traded at this level. 90,000 multiplied by this price, it is more than 1 million. That size were broken. After that, another area where significant volume traded, it was this one, 31, 21, 33, 32, additional 100, 48 here, 30, 10. This orders on a spot market. Someone accumulates this coin here, 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 and at this moment all this size were broken. And at this moment, this size become important support. Honestly, I missed the trade. I tried, I had desire to take the trade, but at this moment I missed it a little bit. And have a look how price exactly, that bigger size traded here and here. Have a look how price exactly bounced from significant sizes. At this moment, if there would be a pullback to this area 17, there could be additional entry for long because size are really huge that traded on AVAX. Let's cover some other coins that we potentially could trade together. GMT. Rahat, Yaroslav Boyko, damn, how I miss the stream. Next time set notification, and next time my friend set the notification, because at this moment, boo, 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 boo. If dropping, finally drops more. We need bigger drop. Small profit. What is two blue lines? Two blue lines where? Rahat and all other people, friends, once more, first subscribe to this YouTube channel, because first you will get all updates. We create a lot of lessons that will help you make money, and it is a real strategies. I spent so much time, so much money to find all of these approaches and these strategies, because problem of many of you and my problem was at the beginning, when we start our path in trading, in most cases we find only some shit, because in most cases people and places, brokers where we trade, they are not interested in our profit, our results. It is the first. Second, they try to teach us some MICD, RCI, all of that stuff. Maybe it works for some people, but in reality it is not the best approach to trade. And for you, we create a lot of stuff in one place that will help you really trade, make real strategy and make money and build your path to dream. Because I think trading, it is not a sprint. I truly believe it is a marathon, and you should build step by step your path to dream. Like, you have a dream to change a job, help your parents, to buy education for your children, to move to another place, like emigrate to another country. All of this stuff needs money, and it needs skills from you. It is not like today you just woke up and poof, immediately made a lot of money. It is a skill that you develop. Because some people, when some people come to us and join our education programs, they say, oh, I finished your education program, will I trade like you? Oh my God, why you didn't come to doctor and say, or surgeon, after after course of education, I will be a surgeon like you? Or why you don't come to a boxer and after 1 month in a gym, you can say that I definitely will be a champion like you right now? Because even with good education, still there a process that you need to go through. And trading, it is a process and it is a skill, and you should go through to develop it. Because a lot of knowledge, I think many of you saw many YouTubers that shows to you, this strategy will make you millionaire, this strategy 99% win rate, this strategy. But in the end, for how many of you it really actually played out? For how many of you? Share with me how many of you saw, by the way, such videos about such strategies, and you thought that it would change like your approach, your way in trading. In reality, even basic stuff, like place stop losses, people, a person, a trader should realize banzai back that stop loss, it is necessity. It's not like a joke. Only when you blow out 1, 2, 3 accounts, you fully realize, yes, without stop losses, it's impossible. You can be lucky 20 times, but one time, price will go without any pullback and account will be blown out. Only when it go through your body, every part of your mind, your conscious mind, your subconscious mind, only that become a skill. That's the reason why we changed our policy on YouTube. Like before on our YouTube, we did only forecast on BTC, something like that. And we changed that approach several months ago. And at this moment, we share full strategies, a lot of stuff from our full strategy, like 90% of all stuff that we use. There's still some secrets, but like 90% completely for free. Because without repeating it for many days, many months in a row, it's nearly impossible to do the same stuff. That's why for you, I do these live streams. It's like you should treat such live streams like you go to a gym. You can't say, oh man, I don't want to go to gym. I was 3 years ago, I was in a gym. For me, it's enough. No. To build a muscle, you should go nearly at least 2 times per week, at least, to build a skill. People that learned some languages. How many of you, by the way, learned some language? Because for me, English, I'm not a native speaker. I think many of you understood it. And I'm from Ukraine. Finally, every person on the world finally knows where I am from, because many years before, every person would say, are you from Russia? No, I'm not from Russia. And my accent, it is Ukrainian accent. I don't speak Russian language in a home. And people that learn some languages, you would understand me completely. You cannot learn a language without practice. You can listen native speaker for many days, but without everyday practice, you won't speak. The same here, trading, it is the same skill like speaking another language. Like you born in Netherlands, you speak Dutch, and you learn English, you learn French, or better for like English people from UK. You learn, everyone speak English. And to learn like French or other language, you must pay efforts. And it is a skill. It's not like one day you did one lesson and after that, I must be a native speaker. What the fuck? Why I'm not a native speaker? Because put efforts. I love this live stream. Thank you, my friend. Large Indoji, your English is excellent. Used to teach English in Azerbaijan and learn Azeri. Lauren writes something about Azerbaijan. Interesting to hear about that country. Ivilo, I agree with you 100%. Guys, if accelerate, Ethereum accelerate. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen. What if they drop even more? Safari, learning a lot of things today. Thanks, Sasha Makchuk. Героям слава. Guys and girls, how many of you Adi, have a look. We already opened a channel where we share our signals. Like today in the morning, I sent this BTC trade exactly when we took a trade. Exactly. Like this if trade, also I sent a signal. Only a signal that I personally take. Only signals that I personally take. I share into the channel. Friends, how many of you took if short? How many of you took if short? At this moment, this is a challenge account where I trade BTC, or where I trade and try to turn 100 USD into 10,000. I would like to move stop loss into break even to be out of any risk, because for me it's really strange. BTC, Ethereum did this pullback with significant impulses. There could be even bigger drop. I remember that significant size was traded here. Let's see what is going to happen, because significant size traded here, and at this level we definitely would book at least 40%. If I will, yes, at this level, this 1,300, significant size traded at that level, and before that level, it's important to book at least 40%. Let me, we took 1,400, I would say here 400 as a buy limit before that level. That's it. It is 40% I would like to book before VWAP, and second part, nearly this level, it is another place where significant volume traded. And let's do the same stuff with our major account. Okay, but friends, at this moment we move our stop loss into break even, and 40% of our trade here it was 15,000, 6,000. Have a look, BTC moves down really sharply. Remember I told you that BTC far from VWAP, significant volume entered and pulled back to VWAP I expect. At this moment it's really close to VWAP. Let's see what is going to happen. For me it's really interesting to see will BTC retest area of that significant volume that entered. It was exactly here. At this moment the pullback could happen because significant volume just entered. Have a look. It's interesting to see. Is it a real volume? Because I had a situation where Tiger Trade built really not a realistic volume. Let's see. I hope you finally will retest VWAP to close at least our 40%. And let me send an update to our signals channel. By the way, for those of you that would like to get signals from me that I personally take, you can join our signals channel. Below this video there would be a link. You can book your place. They're really affordable plans. You can just join, that's it. I don't promise to you that would be like 100% win rate. Our goal is like 50% win rate, something like that. But risk reward, you saw like today BTC, risk reward is awesome. If move stop loss into break even and set 40% profit at 1,300. Move GP to 1,267, 1,000. Okay. Moshe, if there a course to find good trades, you're looking for a holy grail. It's the same like if you would ask what one skill and what one exercise I need to do to become a champion of the state in a boxing. It is unrealistic expectations, and one stuff would help you. You need to use all of this together. It is full system, and we teach the stuff. You can join our education program, and you can use the same form like below this video. This one, Bigger Trading Private. Push on this link and you fill this form. My team will reply to you. Even if you have desire to join some education program, you can use this stuff. We can teach you all the stuff together that we use to understand the system in all together. Okay. It will be sad if Ethereum would stop from dropping. Okay, I see that quite a lot of you took this trade. I took, okay, let me read. I luckily did. While I'm happy that you took this trade. WAE I did. Awesome. Facile, thanks brother. Martins, yep. Partial profit taken. Ivilo, did you book part of profit? Because what I don't like at this moment, this 12k is it traded. Like, have a look on this volume that traded exactly here. Big problems that they could retest even that size again, and only after that drop. Sadly, didn't take our partial profit, because much better would be to close part of positions and move stop loss into break even, because there's always a chance that before a drop they could take our break even, because after such significant volume it's really possible. Sadly, it's really sadly. I did in profit. I took joy. I took short. Thank you, Yuri. More dumping in Bitcoin. Should I short BTC at the moment? I missed came later. Rahat, no. If you missed a train, you wait for another. You don't run after a train. In trading, same as in other places. If you missed a train, you wait for another. Guys, big chance that break-even could be, our break-even could be taken. Really sadly, I didn't book a trade. It's really sad. Have a look what's going on at this moment. Huge volume just entered exactly at bottom. That could be even this re-high and only after the drop. It's really sad. It's really sad. The same just happened with BTC, and I didn't book a profit, but I could book at least 1 to 2.5 risk reward. Okay, I would not move anything. If price will take my break even. If they take my break-even, I would say, okay, take it. Take it and leave. But it would be really sad. Ivilo, good. If you closed 40%, honestly, you don't need to move your stop loss into break-even, because it would be much better for you to have stop loss above high, because there's a chance that they again can retest that significant size, and only after that do additional drop. RT is high from Baltic. How do you split your take profit? I set buy limits. On this platform that I use, how do I split my take profit? When I take short, to close my short, I must buy back my coins. To buy back my coins, I can do it by one by one order, take profit. Before take profit, I just set buy limits, because take profit means close entire position with profit. That's it. Example, a real example. At this moment, we took this 11 Ethereum 1125 ETH as a short sell. To close, to book our profit, we must buy back. To buy back, like this one, here we buy 4.56 ETH, and that's partial profit. You can after that, this 1125 minus this, that would be approximately 7 Ethereum that will be left. And if that order hit my take profit, second part will be executed. That's it. You can do it on any exchanges. If you trade from exchange directly, for example, you trade it from Binance, Bybit, easily you can do it. Also, yes, it is also a very good idea, because especially if you do scalping on BTC and stop loss is small, it really saves a lot. Fashil didn't book a profit, sadly. Friends, at this moment, I ask you to smash the like button, to do it as many times as it's possible for you. It's important for us because you see what value we brings to you. We completely open with you. I share real trades, real stuff that without some like bullshit, without renting a lamp or something like that. For us, it's important when you subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you have desire to learn this stuff, because for YouTube it's so important when you subscribe and after that you watch a content and you like a content. For us, it's really important. And if you have friends that learning trading, you can share our channel with them, because it will help them a lot. Especially they can start on our YouTube channel. They can go to main page and they can start from this playlist. It is exactly first playlist about DOM footprint. I promise to you, if you will send to them this link on this playlist, their live trading approach will change completely. And they will stop losing money. They will start finally making money, because that's real approach that really works. And at this moment, you saw, by the way, a few minutes ago, how Ethereum exactly bounced from significant size. Yes, I didn't book part of profit, but it is my mistake. It is more human mistakes I did than a mistake in trading, in order flow. That's why. Let's see. Go down. I demand go down. Good luck. Yes, we took a trade on Ethereum. At this moment, some people already booked part of position. We moved stop loss already into break even. That's why at this moment you just can enjoy our profit. Friends, my dear friends, I know that many of you came here. I know that many of you came here and you don't have desire to learn trading, all of that stuff, and you only need really powerful signals that will make you money. And we decided to open a channel on Telegram where we share signals with people, like today in the morning, example for you, BTC trade. We exactly took long trade. Here you can see where stop loss, take profit, our volume, reasons of a trade, and after that all updates. The same with Ethereum. Have a look. Before when our stream started, 17:12, I sent to people here that we took short, reasons why we took short, and all these updates. And another trades, have a look here. Ethereum, Another trades we also took on Ethereum long, and after that again beautiful profit. I sent here only powerful trades. It will be not like 20 trades per week. There would be trades only when I trade. Sometimes it will be 2 trades per week. Sometimes there would be 10 trades per week. But I will try to do as big a win rate as possible. That's why I'm not hurry up to take as many trades as possible. I only hunt for quality and to make accuracy as big as possible. But still, our goal of win rate, our goal 60%. It is our goal to make 60% win rate. We don't have desire, like we would be happy to have win rate bigger, but we don't expect in our plans that win rate will be more than 60%. That's why if you join the channel, you should understand that like what is a win rate 60%? You take 100 trades, only 60 of them profitable. But every profit will be in many times bigger than loss. In many times bigger. That's how math in trading works. If you accept it, if you like it, just join. They're really affordable plans, and what you do below this video, there's this link, big or private. Fill the form and just join. That's it. My team will share with you all info. Let me send to you again into a chat this update, this link. What you do, you open this link, and there would be this form. All this information will be 100% private. We will never share this information with other people. My team after that will reply to you. Also, if you have desire to join our education program or our other services that we provide, still use the same form. When you will speak with my team, they will provide to you all information. That's it. Kasser, how do you enter your trades? I use this stuff. I use this soft that helps me to enter my trades. It calls Domain Footprint software. Okay, let's skip it. I would be so happy if Ethereum would do. How do I enter my trade? Caesar, what you mean? Can you explain more? I mean, no. If you don't use it, Scalp is a shit, but it is a completely free shit. Why I call it shit? Because I know how it freezes, especially during big volatility. I had big problems with that platform. I recorded a video tutorial about that platform only because I love our audience, and many people ask about that. That's it. For you, we found another platform. If you would like to use free platform and don't want to pay, in the description to the stream you'll find this stuff. Free Domain Footprint platform. You use this link. Just download this platform. For crypto, it's entirely for free. Also, you can use it for a futures market and other markets. Okay, let's come back to our Ethereum trade, because at this moment Ethereum really interesting. KSM. Thanks God it is not pump on ETH. Okay. At this moment, if didn't do enough drop into our favor, I understand that still a chance that price would take my break even, but at least at VWAP we should close 40%. At this moment we moved it into stop loss into break even, because I don't like this structure. I don't like that significant volume entered here, and after that again volume entered here, and we have like this divergence. I just don't like it. It doesn't mean that if 100% would rise, but it is not good for our short trade. That's it. Math, this coin is Ethereum. We took short on Ethereum, a strategy called a fake breakout of significant size in a DOM. I would happy to if it dashed down. Yeah. My dear Ethereum, just do a significant drop for us. I do this not only for myself, I do it also for our community and for our members. For me, it's so important that you would drop a little bit more. Okay, let's open 5 minutes time frame. At this moment, there is no reason to do anything else on this coin. Let's come back to our BTC. I think all of you notice, friends, that BTC did this breakdown of this local channel, local trend line. Let's build it. Maybe it was. BTC did this breakdown at this moment. From my point of view, best place where BTC can do something, can stop, it is at VWAP. Like at this moment, I expect at least a retest of this VWAP. It would be really good for BTC to hit that VWAP. If that happens, that would be good for us because BTC, Ethereum, they like bounded together, and if Bitcoin drops, Ethereum follow. That's why such move for BTC would be really good for us. Really good for us. But what I don't like, it is like this one. Big volume entered, another big volume. Like volumes on Bitcoin during these weeks, during this month, honestly, volume on BTC increased dramatically. And have a look what's going on at this moment. I think this week will be even bigger. Have a look. It is only Wednesday today. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We have 4 more days. And at this moment, weekly volume on a spot market already bigger than this week of massive drop. Like something going on a crypto market. Okay, let's 1000 at least 1000 of ETH. Friends, at this moment, book at least 10-15% of your trade. To cover commission in the future, because what's going on? I don't like current situation for additional drops. That's it. Kismat, Reef USDT. No, today I don't do any more updates about other coins. Don't have desire to do any analysis anymore. We did what we did. BTC too powerful. Bitcoin is too powerful. Friends, once more, my dear, those of you that booked ETH profit, remember what to do. Those of you that booked profit on Ethereum, promise to me to withdraw that profit and spend it with your family, with your wife, kids, and people that you like, that you love and care. I think too small. Honestly, I don't like that on BTC at this moment we have really huge volume at bottom, because that could be some retest of that size. It's really sad. Okay, let's keep it. As I told you, take profit or break even, not the worstest. Spend that money with your family, because remember, the most important that you have in your life, it is your family, if your wife, your kids, your parents. They need you, they need your money. Like, they don't need your money, they need your care, especially if you're a man. And money, it is just as a powerful source that you can use to buy flowers, to buy something, to take them to some restaurant, something like that. That's the most important. And why it's so important for you to withdraw money and spend it with your family? Because in your brain, you will have connections in subconscious mind that you did this stuff and it brought to you this result. Like, you did proper trading, you did proper volume, proper analysis, and you withdraw money, you spend it with your family. Your mind and your subconscious mind will start guide you that, if you do this stuff, you have this good results. Okay, good. Repeat it. That will help you, especially if you trade in a home. If you're a home trader, you don't have like other people that can guide you. That's really important, such emotional stuff. But trading connected to emotions so much, that's why it's important to do it. And I highly recommend you to do such stuff. Harp, how to set futures leverage size when you open trade in Tiger? You set it on exchange. You go to your exchange like Binance, Bybit, FTX, depends on exchange that you use, and you set leverage there. Like, I have at this moment 20x leverage, but I don't use that leverage. Like, this trade was without leverage because I don't need it. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. Main reason why I told you that your family is the most important stuff in your like, maybe my English, remember, I'm not native speaker, maybe sometimes words that I use, they are not proper in this place, because not because I use them because my vocabulary is not such wide as I would use a Ukrainian language. I like to do Ukrainian live streams because I can use so beautiful language there, and sometimes I can use like not official language to describe some emotions, and people really like that because like I just like to use it. As you know, I'm from Ukraine. Russia invaded Ukraine, and when war started, I was in Kiev, and I lived 1 kilometer from airport, and there were air strikes. That's why the first what I thought it is about my family, my wife, all of that. I didn't care about what will be with trading, what will be with my computers, all of this stuff. That's why Gudak, I never speak. I forgot Russian. I forgot. What are the main three things to be a profitable trader? Said. Good question. Three the most important things. Three the most important things. First, Luis, are you still in Ukraine? Yes, I'm in Ukraine. I'm in west part in Ukraine. Three the most important part. First, it is so important. This stuff, Said, that I will tell you, it is for beginners. First, it is to understand proper path. Is to have a plan, what skills you need to learn, when you need to learn, and how to practice properly to go through this path. Because once more, I truly believe that trading, it is a skill. It is not something that you can learn. It is something that you should master. The same like in boxing. You can go to any boxing gym. A coach can show to you how to punch, how to stand, but without months of practice, you won't repeat. Like you can have one lesson in a boxing, because I attend boxing gym for in university. I did boxing quite big period of time, and I like this kind of sport because it is like true sport. It is it doesn't matter where you're from, what is amount of your wealth, like you and your opponent. That's it. You can have one lesson, and coach can show to you exactly what you need to do, how to be like a really powerful boxer. But without several months of practice and proper practice, you would not become a really good boxer. It's impossible just. And you don't. And normal people don't even set a goal after 1 week become a champion of a state. That's why first I think it is a plan. But to build such proper plan, you need to have desire and reason why you need it. Because to build a trading skill, like as we have first statements that trading, it is a skill that you develop, and to develop it you need to have a plan. That means it will take time, energy and resources to do it. To spend all of this stuff, you need to have desire. That means second, it is a desire, real desire to go through pain, to go through failures, to go through stuff that you don't know. First time when I opened this platform with Dominant Footprint, honestly, I would cry. I cried because I was forex trader before, and when I traded FX, you use MT4. It's like really simple stuff, and this one, it is like a plane. I need, like before I did. I had electric car with only 2 pedals, and at this moment I have F-16 to fly. Like, oh my God, what this numbers means, what this button means. That means, second, it is desire, plan, desire. Third is to follow stuff that you learn, because a lot of people at this moment would write in the comments that like risk management, strategy, all of this stuff. But I saw a lot of people that have strategies, that know about risk management, that know about psychology, that know how to rise volumes, but in the end they did really shit stuff because they didn't execute their plan. Follow your rules. Like number 3 would be, I would call it, follow your rules. That means number 1, we change second at first. Number one is to have a desire, real desire, and reason why you need to go through this pain and build the skill. Second, to have clear plan what to do, and third, execute. Some of you would say execute. It's really easy. Easy. I would look at you. Easy. I remember so many people when I tell set stop losses, set stop losses, set stop losses, but he fucking didn't sell stop losses because there were bull run. He made money, every shit pumped, and when real tough market came, he didn't make any money. He blew out whole entire account. Like a story, a man entered our community, and we spoke with him. He turned 20k into 60 during bull market. And we spoke with him because he did BTC scalping. And I always tell him, Derek, set stop losses. One day there would be, when price would move a lot without any pullback and you will be liquidated. Set stop losses. And we spoke with him. We started working with him in May 2021. As some of you know what's happened in May 2021, when BTC dropped by 50% within only a few days. He blew out everything, even original money that he invested. That's why have desire and reasons why. Have clear plan. For clear plan, you need mentors that will help you, guide you. Execute your plan. You also need a mentor and people around you that will help you execute, because to do it by yourself it's difficult. Okay, as I told you, that significant size on ETH isn't good for us. Maybe we should close our trade and get out. What we can take at this moment from a market 100. Maybe we should take this 100 and go to sleep. What do you think, my friends? Day trading or scalping? Scalping, it is day trading, it's the same. Safari, I'm going to leave. Thank you very much for all this information you shared today. Safari, you're welcome. Happy to see you here. Come in next time. Friends, main problem at this moment that BTC exactly in the middle of this range, volatility increased, this significant volume at bottom. Like, have a look how volume at this moment on BTC increased dramatically. Again, volume, massive volume increase, massive volume increased, massive volume increase, massive volume increase. So many times massive volume increase. It's market makers do their game. Okay, let's keep it at this moment. Okay, come back to your what you wrote. Muhammad Rehan, you're using the premium version of Tiger Trade? Yes, premium. How do you know if the order book is a bullish or bearish? Depends on the situation. If like this example, Ethereum rose by 7% within few hours, 7%. And quite often people that bought ETH here would like to close part of their position. And when you see after such significant rise in a short period of time, quite often after that price do at least a pullback. And it's a normal to do a pullback. And after a rise, when I see significant volume, it is quite often for pullback or a trend change. And same for drop. If price drops a lot, and here you see significant volume, is it for drop or for rise? Guys, at this moment, I think we are going to close our Ethereum trade because I don't see, I don't like what's going on. I don't like this volume at bottom, and I would like to go to sleep. Maybe our promise that we try to make 500, maybe if we will have only 807 today, 810. But still, it's good. Still, it is good. How do you know? Do you accumulate in this time? I mean the range 1820. Good luck. I'm a scalper. I'm about trading. I'm not about accumulating. Always with new people think they will reach overnight. Yes, it is always like that. Okay. Okay, let's do maybe. Okay, I don't have desire to sit all night here. Okay, guys, let's close both trades. Okay, I close Ethereum. Main reason because of the significant volume, and I don't like that significant volume at bottom. For people that follow me, they report and follow our challenge, where we try to turn $100 into $100 into 10,000. At this moment we have 171 USD on this day. Today we took 2 trades, BTC 22 USD of profit, and this ETH scalp short. How many of you know about our challenge when we try to turn 100 USD into 10,000? Okay. Green, hello. Can I rewatch your live somewhere? I just saw that you are in live. Green, you can watch this live stream when we finish, and you can start watching this again. Azrin, thank you for the info at the trades today. Hopefully we can see the VWAP lesson. If it's possible, I'm going to leave the stream to sleep. Have a good day. Azrin, thank you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Thanks again. Good night. How much time will it take to become profitable? If you have a person that will guide you, I think in 1 year it's possible to start making profit. Power, thanks again for friends. Remember to subscribe to this channel, it's important for us. Also we do a challenge at this moment where we try to turn 100 USD into 10,000, and at this moment let me refresh. And at this moment we have 171 USD on our futures account. Okay, that's why it will be really fun for us. Let's open this day report. How much to join your premium membership? My friend, you didn't hear me, you didn't listen to me. I don't do sales for really long period of time. My team replied to all questions. Why do you take bread for them? Don't steal their bread. Below this video there would be a form, and at this moment you simply what you do, you fill this form and you speak with my team. They will help you with all questions. You can use it here and here. Also, friends, we have a free Telegram channel that I highly recommend you to use. This free alerts, remind to you free alerts. What this channel means and what this channel is about. With my team, at least 4 trades per week. We'll share with you here entirely for free. Those trades will be without stop losses and take profits, but still win rate here really will be huge. Like during last 2 weeks, nearly every trade that we took hit take profit or we close it at break even. That's why win rate will be really excellent. Are you doing 100 by copy trading? No, I do it by manually. I have 2 separate accounts. Won't be McTow. Thank you, my friend. Friends, thank you for your time. Next stream we will do within several weeks. Enjoy. Soon I'll record video lessons about platforms that you can use for free about DOM footprint. Also lesson about VWAP soon will be. Remember to share this channel with your friends that help us to promote this content. Thank you for your time. Remember to follow a promise and withdraw money, profits that you made. Like Martin's made 110 USDT. Withdraw this and spend it with your family. It will be really important for us. Thank you for your time.